Hi everyone, in this video we discuss on the concept of explicit functions and implicit functions. Okay, so now the definition of explicit function is if dependent variable y is expressed in terms of independent variable x, then y is called an explicit function. That means here y is completely expressed independent variable x. That means explicit function is generally denoted by y is equal to f of x. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನ ಏನು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿದೀವೋ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ಏನೋ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಸಿಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ y ಒಂದು ಸೈಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಸೈಡ್. ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ x, y is called a dependent variable, is it that? So it is completely expressed in the terms of x, independent variable, is it that? Y is equal to ಏನು ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನೋ explicit function. So okay, so explicit function is generally denoted by y is equal to f of x. Okay, that's it. Then what is meant by implicit function? The definition of implicit function is a function in which dependent variable y cannot be expressed completely in terms of independent variable x. Then y is called a implicit function of x. That means here in this implicit function x and y are mixed together. That means f of function of xy is equal to 0. ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ವೈ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಟೈಪ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ವೈ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೈ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಇಸ್ ಟು 81. ಇಲ್ಲೇನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ವೈ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗೇ ಇದೆ. ಇಂಥವೆಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಏನು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಪೋಸ್ ನೋಡಿ ಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೈ, ದೆನ್ ವೈ e raised to x plus x into e raised to y is equal to 1. ಇಲ್ಲಿ y ಮತ್ತು x ಸೆಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, y ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ x ಮೇಲೆ x ಅನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ಸೇ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಂದರೆ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಓಕೆ, ಹೀಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ಇದನ್ನೇನಂತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಸಿಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸು. ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪಿ ಯು ಸಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬರೋದು ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಸಿಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಸಿಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, now we go to the one beautiful example of implicit function. Okay, it is implicit function, is it that? Because x and y are mixed, is it? So how to solve such kind of examples? Okay, see solution. So first differentiate both sides of the equation with respect to the x, because our question is what he asked, find dy by dx. Okay, with respect to x. Okay, first differentiate both sides with respect to x, we get, okay, then d by dx of x cube plus x square into y plus x y square plus y cube is equal to d by dx of derivative of 81. That means constant. Okay, our first step is differentiate the given equation, both sides of the given equation with respect to x. This is the first step to solve the given example. Okay, then differentiate derivative of x cube, that is 3x square plus, okay, derivative of x square into y. Apply the product rule. What is the product rule? First function is x square, second function is y. Okay, So first function as it is x square into first function as it is, then differentiate the second function d by dx of second function is y plus, okay, then second function as it is into differentiate the first function d by dx of x square means, okay, keep x square as it is, okay, plus in third term we have xy square, okay. Here also apply product rule. First function is x, second function is y square. First function as it is into differentiate the second function d by dx of y square plus second function as it is into differentiate the first function d by dx of x, okay, plus d by dx of y cube is equal to derivative of constant is equal to 0, okay, direct write d by dx of y cube, that means it is in the form of x raised to n, is it that, x raised to n, derivative of x raised to n is equal to nx raised to n minus 1, in place of x we have y, is it that, then 3y square into dy by dx, derivative of y, okay, then is equal to, then 3x square plus x square into dy by dx plus y into d by dx of x square, that means 2x, right, plus x into d by dx of y square, that is 2y into dy by dx plus y square d by dx of x, that's equal to 1 plus 3y square into dy by dx is equal to 0. Up to this step we simply did a differentiation, is it that, then in ಮುಂದೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು, ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ dy by dx ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋದು. Taking this dy by dx terms in one side, in left hand side, and other terms are taking into right hand side, like that x square plus 2xy plus 3y square. In these three terms we have dy by dx as a common, okay, I just take dy by dx as a common, dy by dx is equal to take other terms in the right hand side, plus 3x square, it is converted into minus 3x square minus 2xy minus y square, okay, is it that, therefore dy by dx is equal to minus taken as a common, then remaining 3x square plus 2xy plus y square divided by x square plus 2xy plus 3y square is bring this side, then it would be x square plus 2xy plus 3y square. This is the our dy by dx complete. Thank you.